Kung mahilig kang manood ng movies at mag-scroll sa social media, perfect ang video na to para sa'yo. Ire-recommend namin ang mga smartphones na may curved AMOLED display para next level ang viewing experience mo at lahat yan ay under 10K lang. Kung naghahanap ka ng smartphone na may premium features pero budget friendly, check out ang Itel S25 Ultra. May 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 3D Curved AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, 1400 nits at Gorilla Glass 7i. Naka-Unisoc T620 on to score na around 322K, 8GB RAM, 256GB UFS 2.2 storage, Android 14 at up to 2 major Android upgrades. May 50 megapixel main camera at 32 megapixel selfie shooter. Idagdag mo pa ang 5000 mAh battery, 18 watts charger at bypass charging. May SRP na 8,499 pesos. Kung gusto mo naman ng smartphone na may powerful specs at budget friendly, check out ang Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. May 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED, 393 ppi, 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 5, 1300 nits at IP54 rating. Naka G100 chipset on to score na around 420K, 8GB RAM, 256GB UFS 2.2 storage, Android 14 at up to 1 major Android upgrade. May 50 megapixel main camera, 2K video recording at 8 megapixel front camera. May 5000 mAh battery, 33 watts charger at bypass charging. May SRP na 9,199 pesos. By the way, lalagay ko na din yung link sa description kung saan mo itong mabibili at official yan. Gumawa din kami ng FB group na smartphone tips, kaya kung ayaw mong masayang ang pera mo sa pagbili ng maling smartphone, mag-join ka na at kami mismo maghahanap ng best option at price para sa'yo. Kung ang hinahanap mo naman ay ang perfect combination ng performance at camera, check out ang Tecno Camon 30S. May 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 3D Curved AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, 393 ppi at Gorilla Glass. Naka Helio G100 on to score na around 420K, 8GB RAM, 256GB UFS 2.2 storage, Android 14 at up to 2 major Android upgrades. May 50 megapixel main with OIS, 2 megapixel depth sensor at 13 megapixel selfie shooter. May 5000 mAh battery at 33 watts charger. May SRP na 9,799 pesos. Again, ito yung mga smartphones na may 3D curved AMOLED display. Bagay sa'yo to kung ang hilig mo ay manood ng movies at mag-social media. Ginawa ko nga pala ang Tech You Know dahil sa dami ng smartphones na lumalabas ngayon, napakahirap nang mamili. Kaya dito sa channel kami mismo nagre-research para malaman kung anong device ang pinakasulit para sa budget mo. Pero para makagawa pa kami ng ganitong content, kailangan din namin ng suporta mo, kaya huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like at i-share ang ating video.